Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What an absolutely gorgeous car we've got here. A Seat IBIZA 1.2 Copa edition, finished in Emocion red. It is just absolutely beautiful all the way around. Bought direct from the last lady owner, who purchased it when it was about 10-11 months old. Incredible low mileage. The car's absolutely gorgeous all the way around. Ideal first car or a little runabout. Great value for money, great spec on it. Good size boot on these IBIZAs. All nice and clean, split folding rear seats. No damage in there. All the toolkits there with a compressor, no spare wheel on these. The loading area, all in good condition. Bodywork, nice and beautiful all the way around. No dents, scratches, scuffs anywhere down the sides. Just gleaming away. All the wheels are in great condition. No major damage on any of these. Matching Dunlop tyres all the way around. Front fog lights. Very spacious little car. Nice and clean inside. All the trims. Very nice indeed. Driver's seat in lovely condition. All the dashboard trims. Mileage of just 17,595. That's all it's done. 17,595. Incredible 2011 car. Stereo CD.
It's all going into it.
Air conditioning. Aux input. 5-speed manual gearbox. Stereo controls, electric windows, electric mirrors. What a great little car. Just had a full service and ready to go. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. We can arrange finance direct with ourselves. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Multi-award winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling a car a very simple, straightforward process. No admin fees. Any further information, please just give us a call on 01782 822 700. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. If you want it, reserve it. It won't be about long with that sort of mileage. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.